why people call Winston's Chimney Service, or really any fireplace company in town? For peace of mind. They want to know that when they go to light the fire in the fireplace on Thanksgiving or Christmas Day, because those are the two big dates, that the fire is going to light and the smoke is going to go out of the chimney and they are going to enjoy their home with their fireplace. If you don't know when the last time someone's looked at your fireplace, then you have a potential issue. Give us a call, we'll come out, inspect the flue, sweep it if need be, and if there's something that has to be done, we'll give you a proposal for it. If there's nothing that has to be done, clean bill of health, off you go. You have peace of mind that you can light your fireplace and you know that things are going to be okay.